We are so excited to introduce our new venture, Designs by JuJu Plus. You know we're all about making your stitching easier, more beautiful, and more fun. And now we're taking it up a notch by launching physical goods. Meet our starting lineup. Stabilizers and batting, the perfect foundation for your projects. Cut Easy, strong, lasting cutaway support. Magic Mesh, soft, no-show finish. Tear Easy, effortless tear away. And Lofty Soft batting, perfect loft and softness for quilting and in the hoop projects. We also have bundles available so that you can bundle and save. Our starter pack bundle includes Cut Easy, Tear Easy, and Magic Mesh. Perfect for beginners and experienced embroiderers alike, the starter pack ensures you always have the right stabilizer on hand for your project. Our ultimate bundle is your all-in-one solution for embroidery stabilization. Featuring all 4 of our products, this sampler lets you experience every product we offer so you can match the perfect one to your project. We are so thrilled and can't wait for you to get your hands on these new products. Shop now at designsbyjujuplus.com.